Hi, my name is Sarah Taj, and today we're going to be talking about reproduction. The term reproduction may refer to the power of self-duplication of a single cell or a multicellular animal or plant organism. In all cases, reproduction consists of a basic pattern, the conversion by a parent organism of raw materials from the environment into offspring, or into cells that develop into offspring, which consist of two processes. We have meiosis and mitosis, which we're going to talk about later on. The reproductive process always includes the transmission of genes, which parents pass off to their offspring.
Okay, so basically what she's trying to say is that Ken right here needs a partner for the club tonight.
And I'm all alone. Your boyfriend's on vacation and he doesn't have to know, no. Baby, I like it, the way you move on the floor. Baby, I like it, come on and give me some more.
He needs to find someone. Sarah, get over here. He needs Barbie!
Barbie.
He needs Barbie.
So, Barbie is considered to be the female, and the female consists of an XX chromosome, whereas the male is considered to be XY because he got the Y, which is the master trait, the gene trait, master gene trait, basically.
So Ken's gonna go to the club. He's gonna be like, "Hey, I like it," and he's gonna meet Barbie. And what happens? They fall in love. Oh my gosh, they fall in love.
So
They're like,
beautiful.
I love you. Ah! And where do they go? 9 months later, what do you see?
Little babies.
You see Leanne and you see Christy. Aww.
Leanne and Christy. And as you can see, Leanne got the mother's traits, whereas Christy got the dad's traits.
Yeah, and then they got tired of having kids, so they just decided to adopt this thing. Right
Andrea.
here. Yeah. No one likes you. I'm sorry.
Therefore,
She's African. She's African. Can you believe that?
Therefore, they have their little family because the egg, which is from the female Barbie, and the sperm from the male Barbie became an offspring. And this is when a zygote has 46 chromosomes, which is 23 from the mom and then 23 from the dad, which make your babies.
4-6.
The master gene determines if a person will become male. If it is not present, then the person becomes a female. The father determines the gender of the baby because the female can only contribute an X, whereas a male can contribute the Y chromosome. Human females contain 2 X chromosomes, while males contain 1 X and 1 Y chromosome. In the absence of a Y chromosome, a human fetus will develop as a female. This indicates that a gene or genes on the Y chromosome determines maleness. Males have only a single X chromosome. Almost all of the genes on the X have no counterpart on the Y. Therefore, any gene on the X, even if recessive in females, will be expressed in males. The cell cycle is an ordered set of events culminating in cell growth and division into 2 daughter cells. The stages included are G1, S, G2, and M. The G1 stage stands for gap1. The S stage stands for synthesis. Synthesis is the stage when DNA replication occurs. The G2 stage stands for gap2. The M stands for mitosis and is when nuclear chromosomes separate and cytoplasmic cytokinesis division occur. This leads to the 4 stages of mitosis, which I will talk about next. There are 4 stages of mitosis, which include prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In prophase, the DNA molecules progressively shorten and condense by coiling to form chromosomes. The nuclear membrane and nucleolus are no longer visible. The spindle apparatus migrates to opposite poles of the cell. In metaphase, the spindle fibers attach themselves to the centromeres of the chromosomes and align the chromosomes at the equatorial plate. In anaphase, the spindle fibers shorten and the centromere split. Separated sister chromatids are pulled along behind the centromeres. And last but not least, in telophase, the chromosomes reach the poles of their respective spindles. Nuclear envelope are formed before the chromosomes uncoil. The spindle fibers disintegrate. Even though mitosis is an important process, meiosis is the process included in reproduction. Meiosis is a type of cellular reproduction in which the number of chromosomes are reduced by half through the separation of homologous chromosomes in a diploid cell. It is genetically different. It produces 4 haploid daughter cells. It occurs in humans, animals, plants, and fungi. The steps of meiosis are interphase, prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1, prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, and telophase 2. It creates sex cells only, female egg cells or male sperm eggs. The number of cells produced is 4. Sexual type of reproduction. It was discovered by Oscar Hertwig, and the number of divisions is 2 nuclear and 2 cytoplasmic divisions, and it has a pairing of homologues. Mitosis is a process of asexual reproduction in which the cell divides into producing a replica, exact copy within an equal number of chromosomes. It is genetically identical. It produces 2 diploid daughter cells, and it occurs in all organisms. Steps of mitosis are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. It creates somatic cells. It produces 2 cells, has asexual reproduction, and was discovered by Walther Fleming. It has 1 division of the nucleus and 1 cytokinesis. It's cellular asexual reproduction, general growth, and repair of the body.